Hey guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see how to get this hairstyle, then stay tuned. And I'm catching feelings, baby. So I'm back with another crochet dreadlock install. So Toyotress is sponsoring this video and they sent me 3 packs of their crochet dreadlocks. Each pack comes with 20 strands and these are 12 inches long. As far as my braid pattern, I just did the individual boxes in the front and cornrows in the back to my best ability because you guys know that I just big chopped my hair. So y'all, it was hard. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I ain't even show the back because it looked a hot mess, but we got the job done. So then I'm just showing you what it'll look like once I install them, and let's get started. So I already installed the back. The back I used 2 packs, and then on the front I used 1 pack. So I'm just going to show you how I loop it through. Now let's put my crochet needle downwards and then bring the lock through the loop simply because I want the hair to stick down. As you guys can see, these dreadlocks are straight, so I was having trouble with them like sticking out, which isn't a problem and it's totally fixable because they are very flexible. But I just wanted to always make sure that my dreads were pointing downward and not sticking up. So I inserted the crochet needle through the where the rubber band is on the box. I crocheted it in downwards, if that makes any sense. I'm more of a visual person, so definitely just watch what I'm doing. But this took no time at all, and I'll be back with my final review. Okay, so you guys just watched me install these. It didn't take long at all. It took like 30 minutes. The actual braid pattern with the illusion individuals in the front and the cornrows in the back took about an hour to do. I've done this on my channel a bunch of times. So yeah, so all I did was make it half up, half down. And then I put some little jewels on it just to dress it up a little bit. And this is what it's giving. So as far as the maintenance, like, or I guess the timing of how long it took for me to install it,
love that. It was perfect, took no time at all. Only cons that I have for it is that I wish they would have sent me more packs of hair, because I only got 3 and I used all 3 packs, which means that I have 60 locks in my head. And like, it don't look, it's not like heavy or anything, but like I just feel like if I had more hair, it would look better. Like see the gaps in the back. Also because the hair is very stiff, that kind of makes it like stick out more. Now if you've watched my channel before and watched me review hair from Toyotress before, then you guys would know that I've done their butterfly locks. Those were beautiful, on point, got lots of compliments on those. I really like those. These, I'm not the biggest fan, however I think I can work anything. Y'all let me know. It's giving Libby from Jimmy Neutron, kinda sorta, but overall it's okay. Like, you know, I can work with it. It's nothing that I can't finesse, but I just wish I had more packs of hair. So definitely, if you order from Toyotress and you order these specific locks, make sure that you order more than 3 bags of hair. But other than that, it's cool. I like it. I did a half up, half down style. That's all I can really do with this hairstyle because of how I installed it. I can't put it up in a ponytail because I didn't braid it like that, because you guys know I just big chopped and my hair is super duper short, so I did what I could. Okay, so yes, if you enjoyed watching these type of videos, make sure you thumbs up. If you want to purchase this hair, I have the link down in the description box below. I want to thank Toyotress for sponsoring this video, and until next time, bye guys.